Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to do a really quick update because after I got back to Milan on the end of my trip, I had a small accident with my bike. I slipped on a very nasty piece of tarmac while it was raining and my bike went down on the right side, so I had some damage to the bike. I am uninjured, I don't have anything, but my bike handlebar got a little bit damaged. It got bent significantly on the right side, so it looked like a chopper on the right side. But I also visited the local Honda dealership, but I don't want to pay 226 euro for the replacement for the original part. That's not gonna happen for the mere handlebar, like literally the only the metal tubing, so not gonna happen. I wasn't really that lucky with the aftermarket offering as well, because it looks like for this specific ADV bikes there's no replacement suitable for respecting the original shapes and bends of the Honda handlebar. But after a little bit of research, I was able to find on the internet a second-hand handlebar that I got shipped after I paid it, of course, from this guy in Sicily. Very nice guy. Shout out to him for very great communication and handling. So here you go. I have a really nice looking handlebar, and I'm gonna arrange for the replacement really soon. Cheers.